Now I'm a tall guy, but I find it very frustrating when I go to open the lid of my fridge and it hits the ceiling of the roof, and I can't see what I'm going to grab. Having a fridge slide simply means I can slide my fridge out where I can open the lid freely, and it drops down 29 centimetres so I can clearly see what I need and can keep everything in order while I'm grabbing it. Now I have 3 kids, so safety of using one of these is paramount at all times. The built-in safety mechanism means the fridge can't drop unexpectedly, even when it's fully loaded, and mine always is. When on the move, the fridge locks in so that on the bumpiest rocky crossing, the fridge can't go anywhere. The gas strut-assisted vertical scissor lift has been action tested and proven to outlast 10,000 movements. Now that's a lot of fridge access. With a massive 180 kilo load capacity, the Clearview Slide has a 3-year warranty and is available in 3 sizes, which fits most popular fridges on the market. For more information on the slide, go to the Clearview website.